Gentlemen, for your patience. We would now commence the concluding session of our convention, which is the valedictory session. I would like everybody to be seated, and I will also appreciate people who are in the pre-function area or in the foyer to please come inside and be seated as we felicitate our sponsors, our speakers, and those who have contributed to the success of this federation, of this convention. So this is the last and concluding session of the convention today evening. And I would like to have your attention and indulgence, please. So we start. May I request our convener, immediate past chairman, Mr. Shankar Shinde, to give his concluding remarks.
A very good evening. I think after this last session, we are all energetic. A very good evening. That's the energy should keep till the last. Great, nice to have you. Respected dignitaries on the dais. Lieutenant Commander, Mr. Also we have our guest today, Mr. P.K. Agarwal ji. We also have the office bearers, chairman, and Board of Advisors, the past chairman, Mr. Dushan Mulani, our chairman, Mr. Amit Kamath, chairman-elect, partner associations, industry stakeholders, respected leaders, esteemed delegates, and dear friends. Namaskar. Dear friends, as we draw the curtains on this vibrant edition of this AAAFEI convention, I rise before you with a heart full of gratitude and a mind ignited with possibilities. Allow me a personal reflection with the journey starting with AAAFEI, in the same Goa in 2009, starting with the convention, and now in this 2025, coming to this convention as a immediate past chairman and the convener. Thanks to my immediate past chair, my mentor, Mr. Shantanuji. During the chairmanship of Mr. R. Radhakrishnaji, the convention in 2009 was held in a great success. Dear friends, during this convention, it has been a great time, this 3 days packed convention, where we have done more than attending the session or the network. We have co-created the new energy, an energy that reflects the resilience, relevance, and readiness of the Indian freight forwarding community. Together, we explored the full depth of our theme, enhancing strategic partnership, unleashing potentials. And we truly delivered on that promise. We opened new corridors of cooperation, we listened, we learned, and we bold conversation on digitalization, sustainability, and global logistics connectivity. We connected policy with practices, strategy with services, and industry with innovation. Above all, we rekindled and make what makes this forum so powerful, networking, sharing, and building together. My sincere gratitude to the pillars behind this platform. No convention of this scale is possible without deep dedication and shared purpose. My heartfelt gratitude goes to the organizing committee who turned a vision into a vibrant reality. Our sponsors and partners who believed in this mission and powered it. It is their unwavering support. The Goa Association who welcomed the nation and beyond the trademark Goan warmth. The AAAFEI Secretariat. The silent engines who worked tireless behind the scenes. The President and the member associations, and the complete executive committee for the active participation, and to each one of you, our delegates, dignitaries, disruptors, and dreamers. Thank you for being at this event and making this a grand success. As we return to our cities, ports, and offices, let's not leave behind the spirit we have created here in Goa. Let's build stronger bridges between industry and government, embrace technology, sustainability, and collaborative ecosystems, empower the next generation of freight professionalism to not just navigate the future, but to shape it boldly. We are not just service providers, we are partners in Indian economic progress, the custodians of global commerce and architecture of this trust and efficiency. To conclude, this may be a validatory session, but it is not an end, it's a launch pad. Let this convention continue, not just a memory, but in every port we touch, every trade we route, we enable the every barriers that break. Thank you once again for being here with us, and look forward for your continued participations in making the FFA events a grand success for the future. Thank you once again, and now request Mr. Dushyant Mulani to come up on to provide his address.
Thank you, Shankar Babu, for your closing remarks. I would request now our chairman, Mr. Dushyant Mulani, to address the gathering.
Good evening, friends. I know it's been a very, very long day for all of you. So will not be taking much of your time out here but we are very simply honored, overwhelmed, and we express our sincere gratitude to all of you for coming here in such a large number, making this convention one of the most successful convention of FFA, an ode to FFA's long journey. And this is Silver Jubilee of FFA's biennial convention. Friends, dignitaries on dais today, the Silver Jubilee of our convention has been really blessed with a most befitting presence of Lieutenant General Retired Shri K.J.S. Dhillon ji. Thank you, sir, for being here. You've given the keynote address, the theme address, whatever was required for the entire year. This is like charging us for the lifetime. Thank you, sir. With him, we have our friend for decades and our friend, philosopher and guide, Shri P.K. Agarwal ji, Principal Commissioner of Customs, retired now, but full of zest, full of spirit, and full of wisdom. Sir, the entire team, entire committee, all delegates are waiting for your power-packed address, and I know it is going to be an ode to KJ sir's and Indian Army's gallantry. We have with us Shiv Arurji. I think very soon he will join Indian military. I cannot foresee any other role for him, and I'm sure he will take over Mr. Harsh Lapsia. Thanks, Harsh, for introducing both these legendary gentlemen to FFA. He will also take Harsh there. Friend, this is one convention which had started way back, conceptualization in month of last September after our AGM, went across to various locations, finalized on this. My predecessor, R. Radhakrishnan, who we all go across to him for any words of wisdom, said that yes, could be the right place. And he had also one of our landmark event which was held during his tenure. The entire team out here, IPC and convener for this convention, my friend, and whatever I can say, Man Friday or anything we have, we go across to him, Shankar Bhai. Thank you, Shankar Bhai, for all your efforts and dedication towards this. Mr. Amit Kamath, Chairman-elect, vast experience. His journey started from Goa again, and he continues with that. And whenever we have, he can correlate with any incident during his tenure 4 terms as secretary out here and other terms, encyclopedia of experience for Triple FAI. Thank you, Amit Bhai. You are always most dependable person that anybody of us can want. And yes, during your term, this entire committee, all delegates will work for you relentlessly. My Honorary Secretary, Mr. Sudeep Dey, oh my God, I can tell you, this man has something, he is always present wherever required with most meticulous of the details lined up. He will even ensure that our shoelaces are in right place. And what he has done for convention, I cannot imagine. This man has worked wonders. I have no words what he has done. All my vice chairmen, Samba Sivaji, Dinesh Gupta ji, thank you for your wonderful efforts to ensure that dignitaries were there in place for the our inaugural session. He was minute to minute coordinating with CBIC chairman and his team. Thank you, sir. Punit Bhai, you really fought there in Delhi for us, along with our board of advisors, Rama sir, Paneet ji, Kuldeep ji, Atri sir, everybody. Thank you. We have Sailesh Bhatia, means the kind of enthusiasm which he had for anything you say, whether it is a music program or dress code or planning for sponsorships or just one phone call and he could arrange everything. Thank you, Sailesh Bhai, for this. Sudhir Bhai, our honorary treasurer, he would have numbers on his back end and he would ensure that anything and everything would always be in cash surplus. I think you should have a consultative approach for each one of us, all custom broking firms. You will make us enrich and have blessings of Lakshmi Mataji on all of us. Thank you. And Rajesh Verma ji, the Fauji in our team. Rajesh ji, sitting there in Ludhiana, what you could impart your guidance, your vast experience was exemplary. And I'm missing Anurag, again a young man with vast experience. He's down with his ankle injury, not with us today. And friends, all my advisors, whether it's Vijay sir, Ramaji, Atriji, we have all my seniors. Sorry if I've missed out of anybody. And without missing out, I will mention our young team. Tej, Chaitali, Nirav, Divakaran, Kumar, Nataraja sir, Shekharji. We had none to forget Harsh, who dedicated at least, I know, 3 nights when he has not slept. This man alone has worked out on so many things. Harsh, please stand up. We want to thank you for this. And Samir Bhai, Shantanu ji, sorry if I missed out on, I'm too overwhelmed today with everybody. The business sessions curated were just to reskill and upskill all of us. Give us that leadership quotient and global confluence tagline was matching enough when we saw that candidates from USA, Europe, Thailand, Russia, Middle East, you name it, we had them, and Africa. This was one of the sessions which gathered where we are going to go ahead. And friends, the kind of industry representation we have today and stakeholders, our sponsors, our gratitude to all of you, my sponsors. They have really helped us. The B2B sessions which were held, 337 meetings. Friends, this is no small feat getting it, and it was a wonderful kind of a effort to network and unleash our potential. Mr. Krishan, thank you. I forgot your name, and thank you for your always guidance. These B2B sessions, there was one man who was passionate enough to handle these, and this is our earlier Honorary Secretary, Mr. Vinod Sharma. Vinodji, are you here? Can I see you here? Can you stand up? Vinodji, thank you. 337 business-to-business meeting, and each one of them, he was there ensuring that they even get good cup of tea during those meetings. Thank you, Vinod sir. Can't tell you my sincere thanks towards this. Won't take much of your time, friends. Here we have a big evening entertainment program which is lined up, and ensuring that everything goes smooth. The team of Mr. Kumar, Mr. Bala, Mr. Divakar, under guidance of Mr. Shekhar, they have handled this very well. Thank you, Shekharji and your team, Chennai team. And the hotel, thank you, entire hotel staff. And the person who was coordinating with the hotel, that was Chaitali. Chaitali, where are you? I can see you here in the hall. Are you here, Chaitali? You've done wonders. You've done wonders. Each and every pickle and papad also was ensured that she's here, ensured that this is kept in a right place. Nirav, yeah, she's there. Chaitali, thank you. And your spirit for women entrepreneurship. This is saying you will take women leadership in India to a next level, not only in FFI, but entire India. And you have a most patient man behind you, Nirav, to guide you. Thank you. Thank you, friends. Thank you, delegates. Thank you all. Won't take much of your time. I would straight away request our honorable guest for the evening, Shri P.K. Agarwal sir. You not only been our officer whom we have dealt with, you've been our family, you've been our friend, you've been our guide. And please come here on podium, and we want your motivational address. Thank you, sir.
Shubh Sandhya, good evening. Normally after 6 o'clock I don't work, I don't speak. Thanks to General Dhillon Sahab, you have charged up, you have filled up with so much of energy, I don't know, I will continue till 9 o'clock, you have to bear with me. I'm just scaring you, don't worry. Before I start, after hearing Mr. Dhillon, General Dhillon, my whole address today is dedicated to the Josh and Jazba which he has created in this convention. So, sir, salute to you. मेरे साथ बोलिए 3 बार, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की. It is both an honor and a pleasure to join you today, of course, at the last session, at the 25th Biennial Convention of the Triple FAI. Let me start with this because I have so many things. Whole day I was listening to speakers from the industry, speakers from your industry and also your customers' industry, that is the business, trade and service, in the manufacturing industry. I've heard even like Global, Softlink Global, and then Siemens, all these I have heard. Friends, I have served Indian Customs and GST and Central Excise and Service Tax for more than 36 years. And with that confidence, and after hearing General Dhillon, I can tell you, I have just coined, after hearing whole day, IRS. Sir, I am an IRS officer like you are from Army. I am in Indian Revenue Service. Now today, onwards, after hearing all of you, IRS stands for, after this convention, let us stand by this. Let us commit our spirit to that. IRS, innovation. All you have heard today, what is innovation? Continuous improvement, continuous positive thinking, innovation. That is I, R. We have all heard so many speakers on resilience. That is IR. In Indian means innovation. R is resilience, and S, sustainable, sustainability. This is the IRS today. If you really want to serve the nation, adopt this. This is the buzzword which you people have coined. I have simply tried to imbibe into my ethos, my service. And I commit again to myself for, it is not commitment for the trade industry, it is my commitment for the nation. Sir, this industry, that is, we call it freight forwarding, we call it customs broking, we call it logistics. Honorable Prime Minister has given them the vision in the form of National Logistic Policy, in the form of PM Gati Shakti. They are the industry. They have learned from you. The word just I was discussing, the strategy. You know, strategy is a word coined from the military, from the defense. What your opponents are going to do. What other things before you take your, you see, you want to take a decision, first you assess the strength or weakness of your opponent, your competitor. This strategy you have to imbibe into that. And because this industry is not a static industry, it is called logistic industry, industry in motion. My friends from industry in motion, please get some of the that three words which General Dhillon coined, that Wafadari, Imandari, Zimmedari. This industry is the most responsible industry. General Dhillon sir, you will be surprised to know, you, और जैसे आपने कहा कि हम you नहीं बोलेंगे, हम we must be knowing this, that after agriculture, the freight forwarding and logistic industry is the biggest employer in this nation. Biggest employer in this nation. And biggest contributor to the GDP of this nation. Every manufacturing activity, every service activity can be a standstill unless they work, unless you work. Sir, एक तरफ आप भारत के भौगोलिक geographic border को, हमारे सीमा को आप सुरक्षित रखते हो, हमारे economic frontiers, these are the people sitting here, they are guarding our economic frontiers. Of course, we in Customs Department, we have worked, we have provided them policy support, but ultimately translator, they are the translator, policy executors, they are the freight forwarders, customs broker. Sir, you are guarding, you are making us secured. They are making this economic security of this nation. They are trying to make, I can tell you they are feeding 140 million people day and night because they are the trade in motion. They are the last mile connectivity. Even the village, if they don't work, even we can't get food. We can't get the basic amenities. Today, We are really privileged and proud to have you because they have heard and really जो उनको लग रहा है कि एक तरफ भारत की आत्मा अगर हमारी सीमा के पहरेदारों के पास है तो दूसरी आत्मा भारत की आपके पास है, बिकॉज आप जो है हमारी आर्थिक सीमा के प्रहरी हो. यू आर द इकोनॉमिक वॉरियर्स ऑफ द इकोनॉमिक फ्रंटियर. कोविड के समय सर, आई वॉज चीफ कमिश्नर ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल दैट टाइम. I lost 3-4 of my officers working in airport, air cargo, and in the docks. And I lost some of my own person, which we implied. I say why? Because they are customs broker. We imply custom. We gave them license. Customs department gave. We lost some of the people from the custom broking community also. But the spirit never diminished. We proved to the world that challenges for a country like India are opportunities for us. We learned, we not only fed our people, we fed and we supplied medicines to the whole world. We supplied that immunity system, that vaccines to whole world. This proves our resilience. This proves that we have inner strength. हमारी आंतरिक शक्ति कहाँ से मिलती है? हमारा जज्बा, हमारा जोश इन्होंने जो क्रिएट किया केवल याद दिलाया आपको. अरे भारत को एक ऐसा नेता, वी हैव गॉट सच ए वंडरफुल लीडर. अगर आज नहीं उठे, अगर आज नहीं जागे, और खासकर अगर आप ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बाद भी अगर नहीं जागे, तो अब यह मौका दोबारा नहीं आने वाला है. आपके जीवन में तो नहीं आने वाला है. सर, यहाँ पे सेकेंड और थर्ड जनरेशन के भी इनकी ट्रेड और कम्युनिटी से जो फ्रेट फॉरवर्डिंग कम्युनिटी है, थैंक यू वेरी मच. I wanted to speak a lot on customs, but after hearing you, I forgot everything. हमने जो कुछ किया customs का, हमारा pavilion बना हुआ है सर. We have displayed everything what customs has done in last, especially in last 10 years. I will say last 10 years. We have done so many things in last 70 years, but last 10 years is the landmark. The digitization and all I have said. Again, 2 T's I will again take, because I have learned from just now General Dhillon that you have to be very, very transparent. You have to be technology, leveraging the technology. 2 T's also you remember. 2 T's is must for your industry. One of the speakers was telling what transparency means today. And technology, of course, I have told you that without technology you can't survive. You have to adopt and adapt. You have to adopt and adapt. Then only you can survive, you can be resilient, you can be sustainable. Then, sir, I have coined again 3 C's for them after hearing you. 1, if you want to be motivated, you have to be confident. 3 C's, confident. And today, one of the person from the audience was asking General Dhillon, sir, what motivates you? What was his answer? He simply answered, motivates me my faith in my arm, faith in my rifle, or whatever you say. What is your armament? That is your capacity, your learning, your ability to make people compliance, you make easier for the people. You have to be completely updated, not only with the customs law, with the international and national laws. That is that confidence will come from there, and that will get you motivated, number 1. Number 2, you yourself have to be put in an example position and leadership position. And then you have to take care of your people. Like Buddy, he said the Buddy. That is the call confidence. That is first C. Second C is the communication. You are industry in motion. Unless you are able to communicate with other stakeholders, with the government agencies, and especially with the customs department, very essential, will not be successful. And third, further extending it to third C is collaborative. That Nilesh spoke very well on the collaborative approach. Please, I have spoken about IRS, I have spoken about 2 T's, I have spoken about 3 C's. These are the buzzwords which I have learned right here. सर, आपको सुनने के बाद जो हमने ट्रिपल एफ आई इनका फेडरेशन ऑफ फ्रेट फॉरवर्डर्स एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया, सर, आई हैव फॉरगॉटन दैट. After hearing you, I have coined a different word for them. Now is the time. India is the 4th largest. Other day we were discussing with Dushyant. Dushyant ji, आपने कहा कि हम 2027 we are going to be 5 trillion economy, we are going to be 3rd largest. मैं कई months से बोल चुका हूं. Why you aim for 3rd? Why don't, with your help, with your support, why don't you aim for the 1st? The first triple FI card, first F is the first. Second is speed, fast. Second F is fast. And third only is the forward. हमको पीछे घूम के नहीं देखना है. We have to go ahead. Then only this is the industry in motion. Unless you become first, unless you become fast, unless you go forward. This is the triple F. That is the word for your industry. सर, मैं ज़्यादा समय नहीं लूँगा. मैं इतना ही इनको कहूँगा, आपसे सीखने के बाद take your position, make your place, earn your place, and unlock your potential. Make your place, take your place, unlock your potential. और सर, आपसे सुनने के बाद 2 शब्द मैं आखिर में बोलूंगा, अगेन इनके लिए, क्योंकि भारत की आत्मा इनके लिए है. भारत का विकास, भारत की आर्थिक फ्रंटियर की जिम्मेवारी इनके पास है. बिकॉज दे डील विद द कस्टम्स, दे डील विद द GST, दे बिल्ड द ट्रेड एंड इंडस्ट्री एंड लॉजिस्टिक्स मूवमेंट. और जब हम 4th largest है, तो आपको पता है क्या, यहां तक लाने में भी we have got so much of pain, so much of challenges, but still we are ready to move forward. एक 2 लाइन कविता की मैं पढ़ता हूं, मैं शब्दों को विराम दूंगा. नींद कहां उनकी आंखों में, जनरल ढिल्लन साहब के शब्दों में, नींद कहां उनकी आंखों में जो धुन के मतवाले हैं. We don't want to sleep. We want to achieve first. जनरल ढिल्लों साहब से सारी कहानी सुनी. आज इस कन्वेंशन की तैयारी में सुना, रातों रात जाग के इन्होंने कन्वेंशन को सक्सेसफुल बनाया. नींद कहां उनकी आंखों में जो धुन के मतवाले हैं, गति की तृषा और बढ़ जाती पढ़ते पद में जब छाले हैं. We desire more to achieve when we get pains, when we get challenge, जब हमारे पैरों में छाले पड़ जाते हैं. आपको कहा जनरल ढिल्लन साहब ने कि जब हमने बर्फ, उनका जो डेड बॉडी लेके हमने सुना कि बर्फ का पानी वही हमारा खाना और पीना 3 दिन तक, लेकिन क्या था, जज्बा और जोश बरकरार रही है. मेरे दोस्त, इस इंडस्ट्री को इंडस्ट्री इन मोशन बनाइए. ये सारे जो फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स है वो अपने आप सब दे विल फॉल इन लाइन. माई बेस्ट विशेस ऑलवेज विथ यू. Again, take your place, unlock your potential. Thank you. अंत में 3 बार मेरे साथ, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. We now request Managing Editor of India Today, Managing Editor of NDTV, Mr. Shiv Arur, to say a few words.
You've had a very long convention, so I'll keep it very brief. That I'd like to thank all of you for hosting me here. It's always a privilege and an honor. I have seen a huge surge in requests for me to speak after Operation Sindoor, and I can see why. There are that there is a rare quality to being able to witness history in your lifetime of the kind that I have, and I feel very honored and privileged. I don't consider myself special, but I feel that the time has come for me to also write my next book. So I would like to share with you the good news that I will be writing the first official, first-hand account of what happened in Operation Sindoor. Hopefully it will come out later this year. Maybe it will be in the form of India's Most Fearless 4 or not. But thank you very much. You are all heroes, and all my very best wishes to you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I request once again to General Dhillon to kindly favor us with your message and blessings. General Dhillon, your message to all of us today.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, everyone. Thank you, Shiv, for conducting that session in a beautiful manner. I would only say this August House is too enlightened already, and the questions and answers, which the quality of them showed how much interest you take in the national security, and you are a contributor to the national comprehensive national power. I will only give a small little couplet. जिसको रखनी धार है उसको तो घिसना ही पड़ेगा, बहुत कुछ सहना पड़ेगा, बहुत कुछ सुनना पड़ेगा. So if you need to be sharp in your work, you need to go through the grind. You will have to listen to people, and today's world the trolls are more than enough, and you will have to just accept that thing that way. In the end, everyone is a life story. Every one of us is a story. Make sure yours is the bestseller. Thank you. Jai Hind.
We are really blessed with your presence today, P.K. Agarwal ji and Shiv Arora ji. The evening cannot be bigger than this, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, General Dhillon, once again for your message and your blessings to all of us. Today we are fortunate to have General Dhillon and Mr. Shiv Arora here, and this whole program was organized with the painstaking efforts of our young member, Mr. Harsh Lapsia, and felicitations are due to him for this. So may I request Mr. and Mrs. Harsh Lapsia to come on stage. Harsh, please. Mr. and Mrs. Harsh Lapsia. And I would request General Dhillon to kindly felicitate Mr. Harsh Lapsia. He is our young leader, young member, but he has taken painstaking efforts for this convention.
You know, this Indian culture of touching the feet of elders, it is such a beautiful gesture. But at times you feel uncomfortable, and I must, given this example in the book, after Article 370 abrogation, I was with my officers in Gulmarg. And I was in uniform, we were discussing something, and as is natural, the security people had put a little, they were guarding us. A group of tourists from Gujarat, they approached the security in charge and said, we want to take a selfie with sir. And he refused. He said, no, he is busy. I could see that, and I said, no, Subedar Sahab, aane dijiye unko. So these people came, they took a selfie and all, and 2-3 minutes, and done. And the cordon again came back into shape, the security cordon. Then I see about 85-year-old lady, giving compliments. This is sort of a giving respect, giving compliments. There are different words for it, there are different gestures for it. This 85-year-old lady, very well-to-do family, well-dressed, she broke that cordon. Broke means the boys standing at about 6-7 feet each away from each other. She walked through that, and she is headed towards me. And from her body language, I could make out now she is going to come and touch my feet. No, I could sense it. I walked 2-3 steps. I held the lady. I said, Namaste ji, Namaste Mataji, Namaste. And then she said something which will go with me as the best compliment of my life. Because 370 had happened, Balakot had happened, Pulwama had happened. So she says, Bhagwan har maa ko tere jaisa beta de. Now, that was something I said, now this is my life's achievement. अगर जिंदगी में कुछ कमाया है तो ये कमाया है. So thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. But I don't expect people to touch feet. But I was really touched by that gesture. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It's time now to felicitate our sponsors. Our sponsors have been really, each and every convention, they have supported us very wholeheartedly, believing in us, believing in the convention, and believing that our convention delivers value to the participants. We cannot thank them enough. However, as a token of our appreciation and acknowledgement of your support to our convention, we would like to felicitate you. So, I would announce the name of the sponsors and I would request them to come on the days so that we can felicitate them. Messrs. Softlink Global Private Limited, our platinum sponsors for this convention. Could we have somebody from Platinum, Mr. Maheshwari ji? Please do come. They have been our regular sponsors from our, as far as I remember, from our Bangalore convention. Thank you so much for your support, Amit ji. Messrs. Navi Mumbai International Airport Private Limited, they are also our platinum sponsors for this convention. Total Transport Systems Limited, they are also our platinum sponsors of our convention. Could we have somebody from Total Transport? Mr. Makaran Pradhan? Anybody from Total Transport? Mrs. Hans Informatics Private Limited are our gold sponsors. We would request Mr. Parvinder Singh ji to come on the dais. We would like to felicitate them. Jawaharlal Nehru Port Authority is also our gold sponsor. Request someone from Jawaharlal Nehru Port Authority to kindly come on the days. Do we have anybody from Jawaharlal Nehru Port Authority? Our bronze sponsor, Menzies Aviation Bengaluru Private Limited. WFS Bengaluru Private Limited, and Bangalore International Airport Limited. Do we have anybody from Menzies Aviation? They are our bronze sponsors. Thank you so much, sir, for your support. Taken on. Menzies Aviation Bengaluru Private Limited, WFS Bengaluru Private Limited. They are our bronze sponsors for this convention. Thank you so much, sir. Our lanyard sponsor, MSC Agency India Private Limited. Our lanyard sponsor, MSC Agency India Private Limited. MSC also has been our regular sponsor for our events. अच्छे तरह से करना चाहिए ऐसे भेड़ बकरी की जैसे थोड़ी Our banking partner, DBS Bank. DBS Bank has been our banking partner for the last two conventions. They have been supporting us for our convention. Could we have someone from DBS Bank? Okay. Our launch partner, Galaxy Freight Private Limited. Galaxy Freight Private Limited has been our launch partner for this convention. I would request Mr. Afzal ji, please. Thank you so much for your support to our convention. This convention was powered by MPRS Shipping and Logistics Private Limited. MPRS Shipping and Logistics Private Limited has powered this convention. Can we have Mr. Yash? Thank you so much for your support to our convention. Thank you, Yashi. Now, Ashte Logistics Private Limited is the gala dinner sponsor for this convention. After this valedictory session, there will be a gala dinner. This gala dinner is sponsored by Ashte Logistics Private Limited. Could we request, yes, Chandubai ji, please, Ashte Logistics Private Limited. Thank you so much for your support. They are our gala dinner sponsors. Huh? We would now we would like to thank the team and management and team of Taj Hotels Private Limited, Taj Siddharth Goa, and we would like to felicitate them as a token of our appreciation for their hospitality and services. So do we have the team of Taj Cidade Goa over here? No? Yeah, but nahi hai na, chhod do. Since there is no one from Taj here present here, we will move on. I would now. Are you from Total Transport? Yes. Please do come. Coming? Huh? Urvashi is coming. कौन आ रहा है? हाँ? तो बुलाओ ना. आ गया क्या? नहीं. बाद में कर देंगे. We would request the team of Taj Cidade Goa to come on stage. We would like to felicitate them for their hospitality and their services for this convention. ठीक है. हर एक को नहीं देना, हो गया. Thank you. We have now finished with felicitation of the sponsorship. कौन? क्या है? कोई नहीं है. We have now finished with felicitation of our sponsors. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your patience. I would now request. Which category? Sorry. What category? Raffle है. We would request, we'd also like to felicitate our sponsor, Mr. Satwa Logistics, who have been a constant supporter of our convention. They are our raffle sponsors for this convention. Do we have someone from Satwa Logistics? Thank you so much, sir, for your support to our convention. Disorganized way में करते हैं यार. We would also like to felicitate our raffle sponsor for today evening, Mr. Triways Logistics.
Sanko, Satyanarayana, Secretary, and we will take it up. He just called me.
What sponsor?
It is Sanko? Okay.
Mrs. Triway. Sanko. Anybody from Triway?
He will reach in half an hour. We will give letter. Chennai Sanko.
Okay, Sanko Trans.
Mr. Kumar.
We'd like to felicitate our sponsor, Mr. Sanco Trans Private Limited. I would request Mr. Kumar to accept the felicitation on their behalf. Mr. Sanco Trans has been our sponsor. Thank you. May I request all office bearers to take their seats? May I request chairman and office bearers to take their seats? Actually, I would now request our honorary secretary, Mr. Sudeep De, to propose a vote of thanks.
So good evening, everyone. I will not take too much of time. Honorable dignitaries, members on the dais, Board of Advisors and former chairmen, our chairman, Mr. Dushan Mulani, chairman-elect, Mr. Amit Kamat, immediate past chairman, hello, Mr. Shankar Shinde, office bearers, my esteemed colleagues, partner association, media colleagues, esteemed delegates, their families, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Sir, showing gratitude is one of the simplest things human beings can do to each other, and yet it's so powerful. So as we come to the close of this remarkable edition of the FFI Biennial Convention, 25th Biennial Convention 2025, held in this ever-vibrating and not-so-quiet paradise of Goa, it is my honor, and Tej Bhai, it is a bit of my relief also to deliver this vote of thanks. And I know most of what you are thinking, most of us are not thinking cargo right now. We are thinking of another sea which comes between this session and dinner. So on behalf of the executive committee members of FFI, I convey sincere gratitude to all the distinguished guests, more than 700 delegates, including their spouses, who made the Silver Jubilee Biennial Convention a great success in terms of participation, quality discussions, networking, and most importantly, the B2B meetings. I would like to specially thank our chief guest, Mr. Rohan Ashok Conte, Honorable Minister of Tourism and IT, Government of Goa. Keynote speaker, Mr. Sanjay Kumar Agarwal, Chairman CBIC, Dr. Kunio Mikuria, former Secretary General World Customs Organization, Captain BVJK Sharma, CEO of Adani, Mumbai International Airport, Mr. Neeraj Ambani, Group President, Reliance Industries Limited, for their kind address in the inaugural session, which set the tone of this historic convention in Goa. May we have a big round of applause for the inaugural session. This convention was focused on the mission Vikshit Bharat 2047, and I take this opportunity to thank all our business session speakers, moderators, for their insightful inputs towards defining the future role of custom brokers, freight forwarders, overall logistic service providers to attain and set the goal. However, my special thanks, heartfelt thanks would go to the presence of foreign delegates from Thailand, Mr. Sumit Giri, Commissioner of Customs, Bhutan, Mr. Goncharov, Secretary General CCTT, Mr. Oleg, Ms. Nora Dilla from the World Customs Organization, World Bank, Theatre President, Mr. Turgut, Dr. Kunio Mikudia, Dennis Bandura from UAE, Mr. Edward Kiwister, Chairman World Customs Organization, who came online, Mr. John Martin from USA. I also would like to specially mention Mr. Unmesh Wag, Chairman JNPA, Mr. Sudhir Kukhade, DDG Shipping, Mr. Sagar Kadu, DPIT Ministry of Commerce, and Mr. Yogendra Singh, Commissioner IT. Significantly, this convention, we have had a number of motivational sessions for which we are really excited and thought-provoking. My heartfelt gratitude goes to Captain Raghuraman, world-famous cricketer Mr. Jonty Rhodes from South Africa, Lieutenant General K.D.S. Dillon, and Mr. Shiv Arun, Managing Editor, NDTV. We also acknowledge and humbly thank the government of Goa, Goa Tourism, Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry, CBIC, DPIT for extending support to this convention. We thank our event manager company, Crosscraft, the IT team, and Engage, and of course the light, sound, and those of you who are at the console desk there. The management of Taj Citadel, thank you for their hospitality. All advisors, all OBs, ECs, president, team members, and all our member associations, thank you from the bottom of our heart. The successful conclusion for this jam-packed convention would not be possible without the active participation of the esteemed delegates and the associations in such big number from all across India. I thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Your presence gives us that encouragement to reach out for the next convention. Thank you. This, of course, convention would not have been concluded so meticulously without the strong leadership of our chairman, Mr. Dushyant Mulani, immediate past chairman and convention convener, Mr. Shankar Shinde, and chairman-elect, Mr. Amit Kamath, supported by all office bearers, EC members from all across the country. Sincere thanks to all of them. To the organizing team and volunteers, I take a bow. You've been the invisible logistics service provider for this convention. I cannot take everyone's name, but there are 4 or 5 names. Pardon me, I have to take the name of Harsh. This person is nothing less than a genius. The way he calculated the room, you all know what we had to go through as far as the room. This convention room count broke all expectations, Chaitali, who's been backstage helping us all along, Neerav, Tej, Vinod Bhai with the B2B. One person you all have not seen is one Mr. R. Kumar from Chennai. R. Kumar, where are you? He hardly took dinner. He was standing at the bar counter, making sure everyone had their glass of drink. And one person, Om, where are you, Om Shinde? Are you still at the console? This person, you all are facing this side. This person is at the back, making sure all the slides and the videos are played right on time. Thanks, Om, whatever you are. Big round for applause, this young guy. I'm really thankful that I could stay backstage because I know he was standing, he was there. The secret of getting ahead is to get started. But for us logisticians, it's not only getting started, it is also to keep track and have a plan B. So most of the things which you all saw was not actually in the event, it was also plan B. So this is where we have come through. It might look as if it was the main part of the event, but it was also a plan B. So having said all of this, thank you very much. And I wish you all a very good evening and wish you all have a good time over your dinner and the entertainment function which is to follow. I seek apology if I have missed out someone. Please forgive us. Thank you very much.
And there are, excuse me, please be seated. There are 2 announcements to be made. One is after the national anthem, I would request our advisors to come on the dais for a group picture with all of us. We want to take a group pictures with all our advisors. And second is that after we finish this, the entertainment today they will have a setup change, which would take about an hour or more, or an hour or hour and a half. You may change into another attire and be in the same attire and come back, say by 8:30 for, no, so by 9 o'clock for the entertainment.
Bar will be open at
And
Cascade from 8:30.
the bar will be open at the Cascade from 8:30 onwards, and the entertainment will start at about 9.
9:30 and you tell na copycat karke, so everyone.
So the entertainment which is planned is a very good entertainment. We have got a band called Copycat, and I would request everybody to take, to come and give audience to this entertainment.
Thank you. Manu Chaudhary, are you here? Manu? Can I have Manu Chaudhary? It's a casual dress.
Console, are you ready with the national anthem? Thank you. We will have a group photograph. On my signal, please play the national anthem. The one that was played on the first day. Pandu? Swati, ऊपर आओ. सागर नम्रता है? Office boy है? नहीं, वो भी उनके साथ. Ratan है? Ratan, are you here? Ratan, are you here? Please join. Jo, अंदर. Ratan, please come up. Ratan, please come up. National anthem, please.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
They are our B2B sponsors. Thank you, George. Thank you, Omji. Thank you, D. Vijay Kumar, for your support to our convention, your convention, our convention. Thanks once again. सुनो इन लास्ट में करते हैं ना सब जमीन ये फालतू बड़बड़ करते रहते हैं यार, ये इसको करो इसको लाओ उसको लाओ।
लोगों को स्टेज पे बुला के पिक्चर के चक्कर में और 15 मिनट का सत्यानाश करते हैं।
अभी कौन लाना है? नहीं जा रहे हैं।
अच्छा ही है।